Oh my god. Every time I'm in New York, I have to get a Korean corn dog. Can I just like the original, but with half and half mozzarella, half hot dog?
What did you order?
So the original, that's like my go-to, but like half mozzarella, half hot dog. That way you get like a little bit of both.
Oh.
Yeah. Thank you. Number 87. I'm gonna do sugar and also spicy mayo, please. Thank you so much. This is my holy grail. I could cry thinking about it. Oh my god. That cheese pull is insane. One bite of this Korean corn dog, and I'm wishing I lived back in New York.